All right, we're installing a door latch on an all steel door and frame for my new house. But brand new door, just picked it up from Menards and they installed it. So now I gotta do the door latch. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install a doorknob on this door. The builder just installed this board here so that the door wouldn't be just open and closing in the breeze. Pretty smart fella. So, got that out of the way. I don't know if this ring is supposed to stay in there or not. I kind of think it's supposed to come out because you'll notice it's wider than the door. So we're gonna go under the assumption that it's supposed to come out. And it won't be the first time I make a mistake. That's how you learn, or some suchness. Really, it just sucks and you learn nothing. But no, you learn that it sucks. And I got the drain poured in, but I just don't have it actually hooked up to anything. So yeah, kind of my bad why there's a puddle there. I just put it in before I poured the floor, and I'm like, I will figure out what I'm gonna do with it later. Well, guess what? It's later. And I still haven't figured out shit. So, for the door latch, we're just using Kwikset Signature Series. I don't know, I like levers. I don't like knobs. Because I'm a dude. Generally, I come in with like 2 handfuls of bags because who wants to make a second trip? You know. So I will always go with levers. And these ones seemed to be the sturdiest. The door already comes with 2 screws, Cobalt. I'm telling you, Lowe's has some good stuff. So we're just gonna take out the original screws and we're just using them. Where it's good enough for the manufacturer, it's good enough for me. And these doors are all steel. If I remember right, the door itself is 20 gauge, and I think the frame is 16 gauge. I don't know. I got them from Menards. I think I got the good deal. But on this door latch, you'll notice there is a 2 3/8 and a 2 3/4. These doors are a little bit thicker there, so you want to make sure you go with the 2 3/4. So you just take this pin, lift it up, slide it back, push it down, boom, we're set, we're golden, it's beautiful. Stick it in this hole, gentle, nobody likes it rough, although if you do, you know, put a ring on it. Go ahead and screw that real good. Again, tighten it till it feels pretty good, but before righty tighty becomes righty loosey. All right, now we take the latch, insert said latch through the hole. Again, be gentle. Kind of gotta get it in there, twist it around a little bit. You want to line up everything. You know, find that hole, insert into hole, and get to screwing. And then take the other side of the latch. Again, try to look professional when you do this. You're on camera. Boom. It's done. And it looks real pretty. She's a real beaut, Clark. So, there's the door latch all in. Except for the screw. Got a little package of screws. Open it up. Which you want these two long ones. Insert it. Screw her down. Like I said, I like to kind of go back and forth and just till it feels right, I guess. And then there she be. See how it shuts. Oh, yeah. She's solid. Just rock solid. Boom. I'd say my job here is done. Except for this Kwikset lock has an easily rekey yourself option. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So in the little baggie, little deal of goodies, you have this magical tool with instructions. But do we really need instructions? The answer is yes. The next question is, are we gonna use instructions? That answer is also yes, because I don't want to mess up my new lock. The instructions to do it say insert the old key. One, make sure it actually works, locks and unlocks, which it does. All right, and it's in this position. They say insert key, rotate clockwise. Boom. Insert the doohickey into the little slot. Boom. Remove the doohickey. Remove the key. Insert new key. And then turn 180. And boom, it is rekeyed. Simple as that. Love to see it. Love something that actually works as advertised. And yeah, we are gonna call this a success. That doesn't happen, folks. You gotta appreciate your successes, because boy, those failures come easy. Like a glove. So, that's all, folks. All right, we're gonna act like I've never done this before, and we're gonna go to the second lock. And the builders are still coming over, so we're not locking it. But boom. All right, oh, fuck. My bad, wrong thing got dropped.